Hey guys, and this is Bubble Hotel. As much free credits as you want on this website. And it's from Habbo Retro. So yeah, let's get to it, right? Alright, so what you want to do is you want to search up Bubble Habbo Retro, and then click on the Bubble with the Bubble website, and then you go to register, and then for full details, username, I'm gonna put J JXD. Sorry guys, I'm using my on-screen keyboard, so it'll be slow for typing. Password. Alright, you have to look away. Alright, so I'm just gonna put something random. Go email. Guys, you have to look, I'm gonna put the camera away for this, so you won't see my email. Next step, security code. Right, so security code is IOESDY, then E A 10. There we go. And then boy or female. Also, it'll be a boy, so I'm gonna pick any random boy. For instance, just pick this guy. Right. And I'm gonna click on register. And here we go, right? So I just need to log in now. Click on the user. JXD, there it is there. And then type my password. UOP. There we go. So yeah guys, yeah, that's how you register for Bubble Hotel, and like this here. Welcome to Bubble Hotel. Very excited to meet you. Complete the form and you'll get 500 free credits. So yeah guys, great website, and yeah, great, comment and subscribe.